It's yet another tutorial again. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be making use of a fabric. This fabric is thick-like and is a 2 yards fabric. We're making use of a bias. We're making use of a chalk, thread, scissors, and tape. So let's go over to the tutorial right away. So as you can see, I've already folded the fabric into 4, and then some leftovers. I have some leftover fabric at the side. I'll be calculating my hip plus 4 inches and also my shoulder and the intending sleeve length. So for instance, my shoulder is 7.5 and plus 13 for the sleeve, which is 20.5, approximately 21 inches, and my hip is from 11.25 plus 4 inches and approximately to 16 inches. So to conserve the fabric, I will have to fold it to be 21 inches. Right now it is more than 21 inches, so I will need to fold it to be more to be exact 21 inches, so I can have so I can conserve and manage the fabric, which I'll be doing right away. So now I'll be taking the neck measurement. The neck width is 3.5 by 1.5 depth, and the front, that's the back, then the front is 4 inch. But for now, I will have to just mark 1.5 and mark the 4 inch. But when I want to cut, I will cut the 1.5 first before I will now cut the 4 inch for the front. I don't need to take the sleeve measurement, right, because I've already added it, which was already the 21 inch that was taken before. So all I will just do is, after carving out the neck measurement, which you can see me doing right away, I will now just take the I'll go to the end of the sleeve measurement and take 2 inch down. So after marking the 2 inch down, I will slant it to the neck measurement. So I'll just slant it down to, that's the slope, I'll slant it to the neck measurement. Then the next thing I would take is, I would take the arm side, and the arm side I'm going to use will be 10. So from the shoulder, I'll just measure 10 inches down. So the next thing I would do is to take the shoulder to the hip measurement, which is 24, and then I will mark it and take the circumference of the hip measurement, which I've already told you at the beginning, which will be 16 inches. The 16 inches includes the allowance that will be on the jacket. So what I will do next is, at the arm side, I will take 2 inches in, not 2 inches in, and then after taking the 2 inches in, I will connect the whole measurement down to the arm side. Apologies if you can't see the lines, it's because of the color of the chalk I'm using. Just follow what I say you should do. What next I will do is, I will have to cut it out. So the measurement I've taken, I'll just cut it out. So after cutting out, I separated the front and the back. So for the front, I will now have to cut the 4 inches depth and then divide it into 2. So this is how it looks like after dividing it and cutting the neck depth. This is how it will now look like. This is how the neckline of the front will look like after slashing it into 2. So this is the back, which is laying flat on the table, and this is the front piece, one side of the front piece, and I'll arrange the second side of the front piece. So the next thing I will just do, I will go straight to my machine. I will join each of the side, but first of all, the shoulder side. After joining the shoulder side, then I will bias the neckline. Then I'll use bias for the neckline only. The front side I'll fold it in. So this is the finished look. So as you can see, this is the finished look. If this is the finished look, this is the front. I just paid it up with something inside. Thank you very much for watching my channel. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.